Square Boys. Today we're gonna build this Lego set for Minu. Only me, Ryan, and Jadu, the four restaurant home. So we're gonna build this Lego set and see who can finish the fastest. Challenge starts now. Don't mix the pieces. Don't mix, okay? Jadu, that's yours. This is custom build, so no manual, no one. Now we're gonna do custom builds. This is my body. Also this. No, custom build. This is custom build.
Like this now, so we're gonna make it.
I'm done.
I am also done.
I'm done my custom build without manual. Now we're gonna combine these two and make a better one. And come, I'm removing some parts of it.
But after giving him the turbo charge,
Or Jadu, you don't want this?
I want to say
Now I'm taking these extra pieces and making a very bigger, larger one. So look. So me and Jadu is team since he doesn't know what to build. He's